Hi, Andrew here, Dr. Detail. We are probably one of the oldest, 35, 38 years. I don't even know how long we've been in business. Cleaning, disinfecting. We do a lot of specialized vehicles. AndrewDrDetailInc.com. We do a lot of emergency vehicles and buildings and hospitals, gas stations, you name it. Today we're at the fire truck factory over here in Ontario, Toronto, Canada. Just finishing this up. There's an oldie. Andrew here, DrDetailInc.com. We clean and disinfect a lot of equipment. 35, 38 years. I got to check on that. Since 1981, we are the specialists.